Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. It is also your language period. You have already finished your first chapter in English language alphabet fun. You have learned vowels, consonants, and some uses of vowels. Okay. Today I will start your second chapter, sentence. Do you know what is sentence? Yes, a sentence which we know the complete sense. Sentences are the arrangement of some group of words. Some group of words like the rabbit, the mountain, you are, you have, but these are not a sentence. In this chapter, we will learn about complete sentences, phrases, etc. Okay, so open your English grammar book, chapter 2, sentences, page number 8. Chapter 2, sentences. Look at these groups of words. Here are some groups of words. The rabbit, the monkey, is jumping, is eating carrots. These are some group of sentences, but these are not sentence, only group of words. Why? Because the meaning is not clear. The rabbit, what are the rabbit doing, or what are monkeys doing? Nothing. But when we will write the rabbit is eating carrots, it says a complete meaning. What the rabbit doing? Yes, the rabbit is eating carrots. What the rabbit is eating? Yes, he is eating carrots. The first four groups of words do not have a complete meaning. The fifth group has a complete meaning. The fifth group of words is a sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4 are not sentence. These are only groups of words, but the fifth one is the complete sentence, because the fifth group of words is a complete sentence. It has a complete meaning. What is the definition of sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Some points are here. We always begin a sentence with a capital letter. What is the first point? Always a sentence begin with a capital letter. Like the fifth group, T is capital. The first four groups, T capital. So always a sentence begin with capital letter, and end of the sentence we put a full stop. A sentence must have a verb. It is the second point. Third point, a sentence ends with an end mark. For example, full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Now here are some exercise. Put a tick if a group of words is a sentence and cross if it is not. The rabbit. Students, is it a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. It is only group of words. Second is she is eating an apple. It is a complete sentence. So you will tick here. Tiny ant. Fourth one is they are eating noodles. It is also a sentence. Mr. Shukla has a van. It is also a sentence. On the fan. No, it is not a sentence. Children are playing in the field. Pen to use is right. It is not in correct order. The eighth sentence, the words are not in a correct order. Ninth is, the eighth one is not a sentence because it is not in correct order. Pen to used is right. Ninth is, he is watching a movie. It is a sentence. Highest the Rashika got marks. It is also not in a correct order. So you write here CW, mention today's date. Today is 5/4/2021. Is it clear, student? You will mention classwork and date in this exercise. The rabbit, it is not a sentence. She, she is eating an apple. It is a sentence. Tiny ant, it is not a sentence. They are eating noodles. It is a sentence. Mr. Shukla has a van. It is also a sentence. On the fan, it is not a sentence. Children are playing in the field. It is also a sentence. Pen to used is right. It is wrong order. He is watching a movie. It is a sentence. Highest the Rashika got marks. It is also not a sentence because the words are not in correct order. So it is also wrong. It is your classwork. Students, your homework is read all the 3 points from the book. Start your work. Have a nice day.